Bowlus, a renowned manufacturer of ultra-luxe aluminum travel trailers, offers the Rivet, a cutting-edge model that combines luxurious amenities with off-grid capabilities. The Rivet, inspired by Bowlus's pioneering work in the 1930s, features a sleek aerodynamic design and lightweight aluminum construction. It is equipped with a 3-inch lifted suspension and all-terrain tires, allowing for enhanced off-road performance. The Rivet is designed to be towed by a wide range of vehicles, including electric vehicles, thanks to its GVWR of 3,500 pounds and aerodynamic shape. It boasts an impressive 8 kWh lithium-ion battery system, enabling off-grid camping without the need for a generator. The Bowlus power management system and 660-watt aerosolar array ensure continuous power supply for up to 2 weeks. One of the Rivet's standout features is its Aero Move system, which allows the trailer to maneuver and park itself when detached from the tow vehicle. This system, available as a $10,000 option, provides exceptional maneuverability, including 0-degree tank turns and precise parking in tight spaces. Inside, the Rivet offers a luxurious interior with amenities such as an induction range, kitchenette, shower and toilet, king-size bed, and sleeping arrangements for 2 additional travelers.